channel. So today we are doing a challenge. I don't really do challenges on my channel, but this one seemed pretty fun, so I'm gonna give it a try. I saw this on Nikkietutorials, I think a week or a few days ago. She did the alphabet challenge and it looks pretty hard, but I'm gonna try. Obviously it's not gonna be as good as her, but I'm just giving it a try and let's see where it goes. Usually I would start off by priming my face and then foundation, but since we are doing the alphabets, I'm gonna be doing blush first. There isn't anything that starts with A, so I'm gonna start with B. So my first step is gonna be blush, and primer is like almost at the end. It's like second to the last step of the video, so it's gonna be a little disaster. So if it doesn't come out good, please don't hate me. I'm just trying out here. So I'm gonna start off with blushes, and what Nikkie used, which is very smart, is she went in with cream blushes rather than powder blushes. I don't really use cream blushes. I don't own any because I'm pretty oily and they don't last long on me, so I'm gonna use a lipstick instead of a cream blush. And so this is the Viva Glam Taraji P. Henson's. I think this was a limited edition, so I'm sorry, but this is what I'm gonna use. This is the only lipstick I have that would look good as a blush, so I'm just gonna go on with this. Wish me luck. I have no idea how this is gonna come out. Oh god, I feel like I'm gonna look a little crazy. It looks like I'm gonna look like one of those. Did I do too much? I feel like I'm gonna look like a Barbie. Okay, I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend this out. Not too bad. It's a little blotchy, but it is what it is. I also don't use any cream contour, but this is the only cream contour stick that I own, is the Nexus contour stick, and this is in the what is this? It's in the shade Caramel. So here it goes. Oh, I actually like this shade because it's kind of warm. I don't like the cool tones. I like the warmer tones. On my nose. Oh my god. I feel like this is gonna be so bad, you guys. So bad. Oh my god, you guys see that line? I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like pink and then it's just like this weird brown shade. Actually, this was supposed to be bronzer, not contour. So, excuse me. But I use this as my bronzer, and then I'm gonna use something else for my contour. So next step is concealer. I'm gonna be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I'm gonna use the magical little sponge. Oh. Just gonna go lightly all over my face with this. Pretty much using this to kind of cover everything that I have already applied. Not cover, but just like tone it down like that. See, that looks so much better than what the hell is going on here. I don't know. So I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Sun Bunny to contour my face. I'm just gonna go slowly. I don't want to like move around the concealer too much. and hopefully when we apply foundation, it's gonna soften it up. What am I doing, guys? What am I doing? I can't think. Oh, I'm supposed to contour my nose. Okay, I'm gonna contour my nose. I can't focus. I don't know what I'm doing. This is throwing me off. Okay. Oh my god. Well, actually, my nose is not too oily right now, and I didn't put a lot of product, so I'm not really moving around anything too much right now, so it's fine. I'm just hoping when I put on the foundation, it's all gonna look beautiful. I got my fingers crossed for that, so let's hope. So the next step is eyebrow gel, and this one is from Beauty Concept. I just got this from TJ Maxx. I haven't heard of this brand before. It was like $4 and I just wanted to give it a try and see if it actually works. I don't really use eyebrow gels that much, but this is what they had, so here it goes. It's kind of off. The color is a little reddish for my eyebrows, but this is what I got, so this is what I'm gonna use. There we go. That step is done. Wait, is it eyebrow pencil or gel first? Gel is first. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel pomade, and I think I'm in the shade light brown. Just pretty much just filling in my eyebrows. I guess I'll use the eyebrow pencil right here. Just a little bit lightly. So the eyebrows are done. Jumping right into lashes. I think I need a moment of silence for this. Okay, I think I can do this. So I'm using a cheap eyelash that I got off of eBay because I don't want to ruin my good lashes. And this is 100% mink hair, and I think I paid like $2 for this on eBay, so I'm just gonna use this. Wow, this feels so weird. So freaking weird. And nothing else on my face but lashes. So I don't think this is cheating, because Nikki usually wears eyeliner and I don't, because eyeliner just doesn't really look good on me, so I'm gonna skip that. So I'm gonna go right into my primer. I'm just using MAC Soft Ochre. So just applying that all over my lid. I'm trying my hardest not to get it on the lashes. Okay. Now the next step is eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna do this eye off camera and then come back and do this one, so we're not wasting. Wow, that looks so, I look so odd. This is kind of creepy. Wow. So I'm gonna be pretty much going back and forth between these two palettes. So this is the Sculpture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Revolution palette. What is this? Ultra eyeshadows. Ultra professional eyeshadows. This is what it's called, and it has all these beautiful shades. I'm also just gonna be using the black shade from this Anastasia palette. This is like ripped because I use this so much, and this is the Beverly. What is this called? Oh my god, look at how badly I use this. It's called the Shade and Contour palette. So I'm just gonna be using the black shade from this eyeshadow. So I'm gonna pick up the shade Dawn from the palette and make sure to tap away all the excess so there's barely any fallout on your lashes, eyes, face. I don't know what I'm saying. First, I'm picking up the shade Edge from the ABH palette, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my crease. So I'm bringing it all the way in and then all the way out like this. and just like a little curve out like that, so like this, pretty much like a almost closed up C. Oh my god, this eye looks so much bigger than this one. I'm shook. Now I'm picking up the Orangeal shade from Revolution palette, and I'm just gonna apply that under the yellow that we have just applied. A small pencil brush. Now I'm picking up the shade Narrow from Shade and Contour palette, and I'm just applying this on the outer corner, and then pretty much just bringing it in like so, almost like a cut crease. Just like that. Now with a little blending brush, I'm gonna blend this out. I'm picking up the shade Rowdy and just applying that over the black as my transition shade. I want my outer corner to be pretty black. Now I'm picking up the shade Fudge from the Anastasia Sculpting palette and applying that on top of the black right here. Now taking a bigger blending brush, I'm gonna blend these shades all out. Blend it out, but I want the black to be pretty defined, so I'm gonna apply the black again just to make it deeper. For the fun part, I'm picking up this beautiful aqua blue. Is it aqua? No, it's called aqua green, and I'm using a small detailed brush to apply this. I love Revolution palette shades, they're so pretty. God, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to put foundation on my face and then set it with powder. Next is my under eyes. Oh, so I'm gonna use the same little detail brush and I'm gonna apply this into my inner corner like so. And then I'm just gonna do a line with this under my lash line, and since this is a very creamy eyeshadow, I'm gonna be able to apply this on my waterline as well. See? I don't need a pencil for this. I can just use this to apply it onto my waterline. I'm picking up the shade Black and applying this under the blue. That. I'm picking up a lot of the yellow and the orange shade, and I'm gonna blend this out. Okay, you guys, the eyes are done for now. Eyeshadow, foundation, you guys. The next step is foundation. I'm so excited. For foundation, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty's foundation. I'm gonna first apply it on the places where I don't really have any contouring or blush. Now I'm lightly going over my cheeks. Oh my god. Actually, you really does not look that bad. Highlighter should be okay. I don't think that's gonna be a huge disaster. I'm gonna be using my Anastasia X Amrezy highlighter. Just picking up some of this. And I'm just gonna apply. Ooh. Nikki was right. It looks so much better when you apply it onto wet skin. Look at that. On my forehead. My nose is already so oily, so I got my own natural highlights coming out on my nose. Okay guys, so next is lip gloss. I'm using this NYC lip gloss that I have. I don't really have a lot of lip glosses. So there's the lip gloss. Now for lip liner. I'm using MAC's Oak lip liner. Pretty hard. It's actually pretty hard applying lip liner over lip gloss because it just like glides everywhere. So I got this when you return 6 empty boxes of MAC stuff. You get a free one and they wrote something on it, so I can't return it or anything, and I can't read what the name of this lipstick is now. It's a A47. I don't know if that helps. I'm gonna go over with the Nicki Minaj's one a little. Yeah, okay. Now it's much better. So next on the list is mascara, and for that I'm gonna be using What's Your Type mascara from the Balm Cosmetics. As you guys already know, this is the only one I really use. Same thing onto my lower lashes. Oh my god, you guys, finally I get to put powder on my face. And I'm using the Kat Von D's loose setting powder. I'm gonna apply this with a brush. I'm surprised my under eyes are not as bad as I thought they would be. So next on the list is primer, and on the rules there wasn't anything that said specifically that you have to use a silicone primer or like a cream primer or whatever. It doesn't say what kind of primer you have to use, so I'm gonna be just using my Smashbox's water primer. Where is it? Okay. And now for the last step, I'm gonna be setting my face. For that, I'm gonna be using Milani's Make It Last. This is so fresh. I love the smell of this. So this is the final look. So it worked out pretty well for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little challenge. If you guys want me to do any more challenges, please comment down below. And thank you so much for watching again. Please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's at Makeup by Roya. Anyways, love you guys. Mwah. Bye.